Hello everyone. In this new series of videos, we will have a look at rational numbers. And in the first video of rational numbers, let's get introduced to rational numbers. We know we started our numbering system with natural numbers. And they consisted of numbers from 1, 2, 3, and so on, going indefinitely towards the right side. Now after that we added a 0 to the natural numbers and that gave us another numbering system. So we added a 0 and it gave us another numbering system called whole numbers. So whole numbers consisted of all the natural numbers and a 0. After that we extended our number system to represent the negative numbers as well. We wanted to show numbers which are like below the sea level or the temperatures less than 0, and that's where we introduced negative numbers. And when we added negative numbers to the whole numbers, we got integers. So in addition to whole numbers, it consisted of all the negative numbers indefinitely extending to left hand side. Now after that we also realized that we wanted to show numbers between 1 and 2, the numbers which lied between 1 and 2 or 2 and 3. So to show these numbers we spoke about fractions, and fractions were shown in the form of numerator divided by the denominator, where numerator were the whole numbers and denominators consisted of natural numbers, which means denominator could not be 0. So with fraction now we could show 750 meters as 3/4 of a kilometer. We could show 750 meters as 3/4 of a kilometer. We could show any number which lied between this 1 and 2. A number which was fraction. It was not whole. And we know with integers we were able to show the distances below sea level or temperatures below 0 degrees. But with these numbers we could not show temperatures which were fractional but below 0 degrees, or the distances which were fractional but below sea level. And to ensure that we add even those kind of numbers to our numbering system, we introduced a new number system called rational number. And they consisted of all positive and negative fractional numbers. And those numbers were shown in the form P upon Q. All the numbers which were shown in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. The word rational comes from word ratio. And we know ratio 3:2 is also shown in the form 3/2. And if you see, it is the same form P upon Q. The only thing is P upon Q can be integers, but Q cannot be 0. So 3/4 minus 3/4, 3 upon minus 4, or minus 3 upon minus 4. These are all rational numbers. and even 0 upon 4 is also rational number. But 4 upon 0 cannot be rational number because q cannot be 0. So now if we look at this thing, we know that all other integers, all the natural numbers, all the whole numbers, all are rational numbers. For example, an integer -2 can also be represented as -2 upon 1. And if we see here, it is p upon q, and hence -2 also is a rational number. Any fraction 2 upon 5, 9 upon 4 are all in the form p upon q and follow this requirement that p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. So all fractions also are rational numbers. All integers are also rational numbers. Similarly, we know the decimal numbers, every decimal number can be represented in the form of fraction, and hence all decimal numbers are also rational numbers. So all the numbers which we have learned till now, all of them fall in the category of rational numbers. In our next video, we will look at some properties of rational numbers and how we perform operations on rational numbers.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.